take moments every day reminding myself to be grateful for my space. All the time take moments every day reminding myself to be grateful for my space. Lovely here. It's really nice there. Really nice, especially when you come in the living room and it gives that really nice cottagecore vintage vibe. Another one here as well. It was actually pink and not vintage looking at all, and then I spray painted it gold. It was actually a mirror, but it broke, so now I can put a vintage picture in here and it would look amazing. This is not vintage, but it's a rented house, furnished rented house. I can't do anything about it. I don't like how it looks, but it's okay. I'm not gonna live here for long anyway. I'm just doing these small things for fun because they don't cost much. Like, look at how beautiful the sunset is. It's quite hot though. Why can't you see it now that I like this? You can see it.